Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be sharing a recipe with you all on how best to PROMIX a super half caste lotion. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you don't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So guys, for this super half caste lotion you'll need original easy white cream, which is very effective in whitening and fading dark spots. It helps in the treatment of scars, sunburns, blemishes, aging spots. It leaves the skin moisturized and blemish free. Using this cream alone you can achieve a clear white skin. You need Caste's brightening cream. It is very effective. It fades dark skin patches, dark spots, and it unifies the skin complexion. You need Macrose cream. It is also a tube cream. It is super effective in skin whitening. You can as well use this on your dark knuckles, your dark toes, elbow, knee, and it will clear super fast. You need Army White Serum, which is a lightening serum. It helps in lightening stubborn dark spots, dark elbow, knuckles, knee, toes, and it unifies the skin complexion. You need Caravate oil, which helps in fading dark spots, hyperpigmentation, sunburn, and it brightens the skin. You need citric acid, which helps in exfoliating the upper layer of dead skin cells to help clean pores. It evens the skin tone and it smoothens the skin. You need Alpha Arbutin Serum, which is a whitening serum. You need Clear Magic Serum, which contains glutathione and it is a strong whitening serum. You need Magic White Serum, which is also a strong whitening serum. You need Organic Vitamin E oil, which moisturizes the skin, reduces inflammation, and makes the skin look younger. You need Mulberry extract, which helps in fading dark marks, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and it brightens the skin. You need BioElast Whitening Glycerin, which is a brightening oil enriched with fruit acids. It fades scars, black spots, dark skin patches, and hyperpigmentation. You need Kojic Acid Serum, which helps in fading stubborn dark spots, acne scars, sunspots, and blemishes. It also helps in unifying the skin complexion. You need Rescue Oil, which helps in fading stretch marks, scars, blemishes, dry and aging skin. You need Omic Tube Cream, which is very effective in skin lightening. It fades dark spots, skin discoloration, it smoothens and evens out the skin tone. You need Kojic Acid Powder, which is a pure whitening powder. You need Alpha Arbutin Powder, which is also a very effective whitening powder. You need Lactic Acid, which helps in treating hyperpigmentation, age spots, and uneven skin complexion. You need Shalom Stretch Mark Oil and Amplus to help prevent and fade stretch marks. You need Kamana Milk, which whitens the skin, fades dark spots, sun damage, and even out the skin tone. Lastly, you will need Shenic Oil to help prevent and fade green veins. So firstly, in a clean bowl, you put 3 tablespoons of Kojic Acid Powder, 5 tablespoons of Alpha Arbutin Powder, 2 tablespoons of citric acid, and 2 tablespoons of mulberry extract. Then you mix them all and add vegetable glycerin to help dissolve them, after which you set aside the mixture. In another bowl, you put 3 Castle's brightening cream, 4 Macrose cream, 5 tablespoons of BioElast whitening glycerin, 1 tablespoon of Kojic acid serum, 1 tablespoon of rescue oil, 2 tablespoons of Omic Tube Cream, 5 tablespoons of lactic acid, half tablespoon of Army White Serum, 1 tablespoon of Caravate oil, 1 tablespoon of Alpha Arbutin Serum, 1 tablespoon of Clear Magic Serum, 1 tablespoon of Magic White Serum, 1 teaspoon of Organic Vitamin E oil, 2 tablespoons of Shalom Stretch Mark oil, 1 stretch mark ampules, 4 tablespoons of Kamana milk, and 3 tablespoons of shenic oil. Then you mix them properly with your hand mixer, after which you add your dissolved powder mixture and mix again with your hand mixer. Then lastly you add 1 easy white cream and mix everything properly. So guys, this Super Half Caste Lotion gives 4 to 5 shades more than your current skin complexion. It is super effective. If you are dark skinned, you will want to avoid this lotion. It is meant only for light skin complexion, but if you really want to achieve this perfect half caste complexion with this lotion, then you should try starting from lightening body lotion to help lighten up a little before using this lotion, so that you have a well blended white skin. And as I always say, exfoliating your skin at least 3 times a week would help you a lot. In fact, it is a must in skincare because it helps your products penetrate into your skin easily and makes it work faster. So don't forget to exfoliate your skin while using this half caste lotion. This is all I have for you all today. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.